The Great Golden Voyage of Lenny the Lentil. Pippin bounced into the kitchen, a notebook tucked under one arm. Aunt Sage, are we ready for the Great Golden Voyage? Aunt Sage smiled, tapping a big bag. Ready, Pippin, but every great journey begins with a long, cool bath. Pippin scooped 2½ cups of tiny, sandy lentils. These are our brave adventurers. He poured them into the bowl. The tiny lentils, who Pippin called Lenny, loved their long, cool soak from 30 minutes right up to 2 hours. Once the soaking was done, Pippin washed the lentils, making sure they were clean and shiny. Next, he found Ollie the onion, the first guide of the voyage. He needs to be small and brave, said Pippin. Aunt Sage helped Pippin chop Ollie into very small pieces. Snip, snap. Then, they added 1 tablespoon of shiny olive oil to the biggest pot. This is Ollie's warm-up dance, Aunt Sage whispered. They kept stirring Ollie until he became light and golden. Now for the first magical dust, Pippin sprinkled in Tiny the turmeric. The pot turned sunshine yellow. They stirred until Ollie and Tiny were perfectly smooth companions. Next came the secret weapon, 1 spoonful of red tomato paste. We must fry it well, Aunt Sage explained. It takes away the raw taste and makes the whole voyage a vibrant color. The pot smelled wonderfully rich. Pippin added the rinsed adventurers, Lenny the lentils, back to the pot, along with ample salt and black pepper. He watched as they mixed and tumbled with Ollie, Tiny, and the browned paste. 6 glasses of water now, said Aunt Sage. Our soup needs a river. They covered the pot. Whoosh! They made the heat high so the river would boil, and then lowered it so the lentils could swim and cook slowly on a gentle heat. While the lentils swam, Pippin prepared Patty the potato, cutting her into small, tidy cubes. She needs to be easy to cook, he decided, rinsing the cubes with cold water for their big entrance. When Lenny the lentils were half-cooked, Pippin added Patty's small cubes to the pot. Only 30 minutes more for the final blend, he declared. Soon, the Great Golden Voyage would be ready for landing. A bowl of warm, delicious lentil soup